How to set C translation on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to set C translation on Facebook app. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Facebook app. Sign in to your account and make sure your app is up to date to the latest version. Go ahead and tap menu icon at top right. Scroll down to the bottom, tap setting and privacy. Select settings. Scroll down to the Preferences section. Choose Language and Region. Under language you'd like to have post translated into, you need to tap on it. Now choose your desired language. In my case, I have selected English and tap the Save button. That's it. Now, whenever you come across a post in a different language, you will see the C translation option appears automatically. So that's how you can easily enable translation for posts in the Facebook app. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.